Hi, it's Maria. If you're looking for a smart, efficient way to stay cool this summer, you're going to want to check out GE8000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. It's designed for rooms up to 350 square feet and cools the space down very quickly without being loud or bulky. What makes this really stand out is that it has a Wi-Fi enabled so you can control it from your phone using Smart HQ app or even connected to Alexa or Google Assistant. That means that you can adjust your settings from anywhere, even when you're not home. But if you prefer the hands-on, it also comes with a super convenient remote. And we wanted to walk you through that step by step. So on the top part of the remote is the power button. There you go. This turns the unit on and off instantly. Then there's a mode button. You can toggle between cool fan or eco mode. Then you have a speed where you can go ahead and you can increase or you can decrease the temperature where you would like to set it at. The air conditioner automatically turns off when it reaches a certain temperature that you have it set at. There's also a timer on it that lets you go ahead and you can go ahead and set how long you'd like the AC unit to be running for and when to shut it off. This unit has become a summer essential for us. It works amazingly. It's powerful, cooling, smart features, and easy controls. The GE Smart Window AC is definitely worth checking out. Stay cool, everyone.